Okay, let's see what we got. All right, let's measure that. So we'll measure it like this. We'll kind of see what the maximum gap is. I'm pretty sure it's an 8. Yeah, I measured it before. So yeah, 8 goes. This is a 7 to 9. No. So I'm thinking 8. Maybe not. 7. Maybe 7. Okay. We'll go with 7. Now what's our minimum? So I'm going to try to hold the cylinder forward. And see. We're going to go. This is a 4. That's pretty good. 4. Yeah, I think that's a 4. So 4 to 7. So I got 3/1000ths of an inch of rattle there. So our shims, blue is 3. Or 2. I'm going to go with blue. Just because I thought I measured 8 before. Now it says it's 7. I can pick these things up. I think that's black. Looks like a black. There we go. That's a blue one. All right, let's just check it. Over zeroed and chomp down on it. Oh, what? Maybe that's purple. Looks like blue to me. Okay, that's purple. That's blue. I don't know if you can see that. That's purple. Let's see what that says. Purple is 5. Huh. All right, well, let's see. What is that one? That's maybe a red. That's 5. Okay, that's right. I don't know if you can see that, but that looks like blue. That is blue. I know I'm not colorblind. Oh, Get on there. That's 4. 4 thousandths is purple. Uh-oh. That's black. I think 4 is what I put in my other one. Okay, there's a 3. I don't know. Anyhow, that looks like black. 2 lines, but anyhow, we know it's a 3. Right? Let's double check it. Three thousandths. So let's put that in. Don't lose that one. Now I know some of these are real stiff to get out. You may have to get like a piece of wood or something that you can pry up with, but you don't want to use anything metal. But I've always been able to just pop mine out by hand. Okay, and you don't have to take this out to get that in. You can just kind of put it on there and shake it down. There, I think it went all the way down now. We'll find out. Yep. Okay, that's in there. So 3 thousandths. And just that locks that in. See if we can hit the hole here. Front latch spring and plunger. Come on. Nope. There. Okay. Push our lock in. There we go. All right, just a quick note. The first time that you go to close your cylinder after installing a shim, you want to make sure that this part of the crane does not hit the frame, okay? If it hits, your shim is obviously too big. If you're going from a smaller to a bigger shim, make sure it clears. Okay? Just like that. Okay, some of you may be saying, well, how is that possible? Remember, you put a shim back here, so the cylinder is actually back further. You're just getting rid of some of the excess slop. This will still move. But since it's back further, it's pushing the cylinder and the crane forward. If you actually watch here, you can press and your crane will move forward. So that's what will happen. If it's too big of a shim, it's going to hit. All right, so be careful. That's it. Let's see now how that fits. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty good. I don't know if I want to go 4/1000. That's not moving too much. So that's how you can put your shims in. So obviously these are not color coded correctly. So make sure you use your calipers and check them. So, but anyhow, that's that. That's how you do the shim on the cylinder. I'm going to take that apart and I'm going to lube, put some grease for the balls and on the shaft, on the crane, and see how that does. But that's it for the shims on the cylinder. So, alright, I lied. I'm not done yet. Just for the heck of it, I went through and I started checking some more of these shims, and I found one that was 3.5, and this one is blue. It's supposed to be 3, but I measure it as 3.5, 3.5. So I'm going to put this one in. I was thinking about putting a 4, but then it's like, eh. So I'm going to put a 3.5 in. And of course, to get the old one out, now you have to take everything apart. So I'm going to go ahead and let's just do it like this. Alright. That's in there. Try to get this back together fairly quick. Okay. Got it first time that time. Lock her in. That in place. There we go. That's in. Okay. 3.5. Oh yeah. And you get a better feel when you put the trigger in. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Back and forth. Oh, that's like perfect. 3.5 was perfect. So I was 7 to 4, and a 3.5 did the trick. I thought I measured 8 one time, but whatever. I think that's good. I'm going with that. So now I'm done. All right. Questions, comments, you know what to do. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.